What's up, you guys? How's it going?
I'm CJ.
And I'm Danny.
And together we are Agate Enchantment
And Raw Wizardry.
So,
We have a treat for them today.
oh yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So we have a two-part series, and in the part one, you're gonna see me cut a piece of Polka Dot Agate blue ice.
Nice blue eyes.
Very nice.
Mm-hmm.
Then I polish it and create a beautiful cabochon. This is gonna be a stone's adventure from a rock to a wearable piece of jewelry.
A to Z, guys. A to Z from beginning to end.
So part two is going to have me showing you how to create a beautiful wire wrap for that beautiful cabochon.
Didn't it turn out wonderful? It's beautiful.
So come along with us, and hopefully you enjoy the show.
And on with the video.
Thank you for watching. Oh, thank you to our subscribers.
Oh,
Y'all
yeah,
rock.
thank you guys. Oh, we can't ever forget you. Hey, and if you haven't subscribed, consider it.
Please. Okay, I am going to be cutting this piece of polka dot agate rock in half so that I have two pieces. These are the pieces from the cut, and now I'm trying to decide which one to use, and I'm thinking it's going to be this one. That's just got a beautiful scene right there and right there, so it can be used either way. So I'm going to be trimming this piece here and this piece to where it makes a reverse teardrop, and hopefully I won't lose that little bit right there, but if I do, I do. Now the opal is really, really soft, so I'm going to turn the speed down on the slant cabber so I can gently, okay, so I can gently shape it without losing a whole bunch of chips. Okay, I think I'm done with the 60. I've got a nice shape. I'll work a little bit on the 100 to get a little bit better cab shape, the teardrop cab shape I'm looking for. And I'm still not quite decided which side to do. This one has it almost looks like a little cabin right there, so I might do that. But this one has got a nice pretty face too. So we'll see. Okay, now we're on the 100 grit. Another thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you watch your water level in your reservoir, because water is really important when working with diamond bit surfaces. Keeps the diamond cool. Alright, I've got the shape I want, so I'm pretty much done with 100 grit. I don't need to hit either side because I don't want to lose this opal down here. And if I hit it with the 100 grit, it will take it away. It'll chip it away. So I'm going to continue on. Yeah. Heading for it. Looking good. Okay, now we're going on to 220, and that's when I'm going to start shaping the opal because it won't tear it up as much. Okay, what I'm doing right now is I'm checking the bezel on the edges. You need a little bit of a bevel on the sides. I lost a little bit of opal right there, so I'm gonna have to smooth it out. But I think I'm gonna do that on 325. Okay, we're on to 325 now. Okay, what I'm doing is I'm just fine-tuning the bezel and making sure that it's completely flat on both sides and that the shape is the way I want it, completely. I do recommend at this stage to have a lint-free cloth. Dry off your stone completely. Dry off your stone completely to where you can see any scratches that were made in the 180 and lower grits, to make sure that you get them out now. It's really important. Diamond paste, you can use it straight onto the pad, or like me, I like putting it right on the stone. think it's done.